Hey everybody, welcome. In today's video we will be requesting and installing the OpenBOM for Altium add-in. Kind of a two-step process. The first thing we do is we send a notice and request access, and then once granted we install it in Altium. So here's how we get started. We start off at openbom.com. Going to browse over to product and click on integrations. Very first line here is Altium Designer. We're going to go here to go to that Altium page. And then there's some information in a video which you should watch, and there's a button that says Request Access. So when you click that, you'll be brought to your mail utility to send an email. So you're going to send an email over to support@openbom.com, and you're going to put in the title Request Altium Access. In the body of the email, you're going to put the email address that you have registered with Altium. In my case here, it's stevehess@openbom.com, and you're going to send it. So after that, you're going to get a reply from us, and once you get that reply, you fire up Altium and go to your profile area in Altium, and right at the bottom down here is extensions and updates. So let's click that and go to the purchased area, and the OpenBOM add-in will be listed there. Finally, there's a little button right here in the upper right, install it. Go ahead and install it, and you'll get a message that says you need to restart Altium. So just go ahead and do that, and in the next video, we'll go through creating our first catalogs and bills of material using Altium. Thanks.